it's unbelievable that now in the county government of Kitui hospitals, they are owed 480 million Kenya shillings by SHA. And you know what this means, Governor and your colleagues? This is what it means. NHIF, which was started way back in 1966, for all those years accumulated this amount of debt, small little debt to counties. Now, SHA, which is hardly a year old, has ballooned the debts to unimaginable levels. That conversation, Governor, when you meet those colleagues of yours under that umbrella body established under the Intergovernmental Relations Act, you may want to advise them that that's a more fundamental conversation that the Senate and the COG should have. And perhaps even include the national government in that conversation. Because I don't even know whether now this question that we are raising here, Auditor, it should be responded to by the county government of Kitui, or the NHIF should be coming here to tell us when are we going to, the SHA should be coming here to tell us when are we going to give this money to the county government of Kitui for them to be able to balance their financials.